this is our example. Rationalize the denominators of the following. Ngatitangei na a. Saka we have 6 over the square root of 3. Tinoita sei. Saka this is a classical situation yezvatanga chitsanangura pamusoro. Rationalization inoshanda kana tiine a fraction where the denominator is an irrational number, or to put it simply, where the denominator is a square root of a certain number. Saka what we do is chekutanga observation. We look at our fraction. Tozvunza mubvunzo wekuti that denominator, is it in its simplest surd form? Denominator iyo iri here in its simplest surd form, kana kuti we can actually express it in that surd form. Then in our case turikuona kuti it's actually in its simplest surd form, because 3 is a prime number. We do not have two factors, one of which being a perfect square, which multiply to give us 3. And if I have just spoken in Greek panapa, you did not understand, it means you need to revise the lessons we did on surds, because we explained this in depth. Saka tacheka taona kuti aiwa, our denominator is in its simplest surd form. Zvatakuita panapa ndezvekuti takuda kurationalize. Chinonzi kurationalize kumultiplier both the numerator and the denominator by the simplest form of the denominator. Saka tinotora square root iri mudenominator to multiplier both numerator and denominator. Zvataita panapa hazviaffect the nature or the value of a fraction. Kana tiine fraction tikai multiplier both numerator and denominator with the same number, hazviaffect the value. And panapa I can give many examples to authenticate my claim. My first example is, remember paipa pataiva nesituation yekuti taiti maybe 30 dividing 0.3. Taiisova saying taiti aiwa tino multiply na 10 kuitira kuti ino ish denominator yedu ive chi whole number. Saka panapa yazoita 300 over 3. Reason yaita multiply na 10 ndeyekuti tikati 30 times 10 ndi 300, tikati 0.3 times 10 ndi 3. Fraction ino ish 30 over 0.3 ne fraction e 300 over 3 zvakafanana, hazvina kusiyana. So this is the first application yataita of this principle. We can scale back and say, okay, what about 2 over 3 tikango multiply na 2 over 2? Minding kuti number yatiri kushandisa, fraction yatiri kushandisa panapa inofanirwa kunge iri equal to 1. In the sense 10 into 10 ndi 1. Saka zvatiri kuita pamafractions apo zvakangofanana nekumultiply na 1. Ukati chero a million times 1 unongowana a million, you see. Saka panapa 2 times 2 ndi 4 and 3 times 2 ndi 6. Tikada kureduce ino to its simplest form, todivide na 2 muna 4 towana 2, na 2 muna 6 towana 3. Zvatopera. So zviri kuitika apo ndezvekuti we are just multiplying by 1. Nepamusana pekuti 10 into 10 ndi 1 into 10 ndi 1, kureva kuti panapa pana 1. 2 into 2 ndi 1, kureva kuti pano pana 1. So I was just justifying what I was doing. But let us continue. So apa tapa point of rationalizing yekuti we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by the denominator. Saka let us do the multiplication. This is equal to, tikati 6 times the square root of 3, tinowana 6 square root of 3. That over square root of 3 times square root of 3. Remember, square root of 3 times square root of 3 is equal to 3. Takazvidemonstrata izvi, maybe rega ndingokurangaridzai. Pataiti isusu kana tichiti square root of 3, tinenge tichingoti 3 to the power half. Saka kana iri square root of 3 times square root of 3, zvinoreva izvo kuti is 3 to the power half times 3 to the power half, of which ma-laws of indices atakabriefa paya aitudza isusu kuti kana iri a to the power b times a to the power c inenge iri equal to a to the power b plus c, kureva kuti panapa 3 to the power half plus half, of which half plus half ndi 1, kureva kuti 3 to the power 1 which is equal to 3. Saka this works universally. Maybe to just paraphrase, kana uchimultiply a square root with a square root, anditi unofanira kuziva kuti and there is the same number, you understand. Saka panapa, okay, let me do something else. We had learned isusu kuti kana iri square root of 3 times square root of 3 inenge iri equal to the square root of what? 3 times 3, which is equal to the square root of 9. What is the square root of 9? The 3. So kana uchimultiply the square root of a number times the square root of the same number, your answer is just going to be that number. Ndo zvandoda kuti tione panapa. Okay, so I think tasvika tese pa 6 the square root of 3 over 3. Then panapa manje manumbers aya anokwanisa kudi kuinteracta, kureva kuti 3 into 3 ndi 1 and 3 into 6 ndi 2. Saka the answer we have here is 2 root 3. That is the final answer. We have rationalized. Is it understandable? Let us go to the next example. Kuti tiite expand our horizon. B. Saka B tikudila nayo sei. B yakanzi iyo 7 the square root over the square root of 18. Our first step is to ask ourselves, kuti is our denominator in its simplest surd form? Apa we can see kuti no, it's not in its simplest surd form, because we can express it further. Saka panapa teta kuti this is equal to 7 over the square root of 9 times 2, like this. And saka we have replaced 18 and 9 times 2, so this then is equal to, you can do this further, but it is going to get us to 3 the square root of 2, like this. And if you did not understand zvaitika panapa, you need to revise topic emasads. We did this. Tadaro manje takuchienda pa this step of rationalizing. And how are we going to rationalize? We are still going to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by the square root in the denominator. Saka panapa multiply na 3 square root of 2, multiply na square root of 2 over square root of 2, just like that. So this is going to be equal to what? 7 times the square root of 2 ndi 7 square root of 2 over, then over 30, 3 square root of 2 times the square root of 2, tinowana 3 each multiplier 2, like this. Is it understandable at that part? Kureva kuti panapa our final answer is going to be 7 the square root of 2 over 3 times 2 ndi 6. We cannot simplify this any further, but we have done our bidding, because tatine a very clear situation where the denominator is irrational. Panapa we now have a very normal and expected situation where the denominator is rational. Saka ndo the essence and importance of rationalization. Okay, so I think we are understanding here. Let us go to our last example, which is C. C yakanzi 5 over the square root of 5, like this. Saka zvazviri kureva panapa ndezvekuti we check our denominator. Is it in its simplest surd form? Yes, it is, because 5 is a prime number. We don't have two numbers of which one of them is a perfect square to multiply and give us the product of 5. Saka our check came out clean. The square root of 5 cannot be expressed in any simpler surd form. Saka zvatakuita panapa, we are going to multiply both numerator and denominator by the square root of 5. That's rationalizing. Saka panapa we are going to have 5 times the square root of 5 and 5 the square root of 5 over the square root of 5 times the square root of 5 and the 5. Then having this situation, my numbers are, they can interact. 25 into 5 it's 1 and 5 into 5 it's also 1. Kureva kuti here we have the final answer of the square root of 5. As straightforward and simple as that.